Hola amigos, it's Senora Davis and here are your directions for today, the 5th of January. So we're going to continue practicing numbers and time, and we're going to do it with two different things. One is an hablar practice, speaking, and one is a scavenger hunt where you're going to look up different numbers. So for the hablar part, now for your quiz on numbers and time, it is almost entirely speaking or listening. So it is very, very, very important that you do the speaking practice. A lot of you skip them, but you need to make sure that you do them. So what you're going to do is you're going to practice saying your numbers. So first of all, at the beginning in the directions here, let me go back there real quick. Actually, it's right here. So these are the directions. You're going to listen to this audio first. It's me saying all of your numbers again for you, the 11 through 19, and then all the tens places. So listen to me first so that you can remember how to say the words, and then you'll go to these and record yourself saying this number. So you're going to tell me how to say 15, click this button and say 15 in Spanish, then move on to the next one. And these are all just practicing saying your numbers, no time on this particular practice. For the second assignment you're going to do today, it is called a scavenger hunt, but it's really just identifying different numbers. So it's unformative. You can do it in this window here, or you can open it in a separate window by clicking this link if you'd like to. But you're going to identify the number being described. You might have to look them up on Google, just the information that is, and then you're going to write it out in a Spanish number word. So don't just type the numeral, don't type 15 or whatever. I want you to type it out in Spanish. So number one, how many minutes are in an hour? Most of these I hope you know without having to look them up, but if you have to look them up, then you need to do that. But there's 60 minutes in an hour, so I would type the word for 60, which is 60. Okay. So you'll be doing that with these, and then the last ones are practicing time. So I'm giving you the schedule that we have this year. So third, fourth, fifth, and sixth hour. Tell me what time third hour starts, and I'm giving you the time right here. So you're going to write it in a time sentence. Remember, you have to start with son las or es la if it's 1 o'clock. In this case, it's son las because it's 9:55. Then I'm going to look at my minutes, and my minutes are bigger than 30. So I need to go to the next hour, 10, say menos, minus, and then it's 5 minutes to that hour, menos cinco. And then the last thing I'm going to do is the time of day, de la mañana. Okay, so that's how you will do the time questions on this one. Now, remember, if you are missing any quizzes or tests, you need to get those done immediately. We only have a couple weeks left of the semester, and you only have a couple of weeks to get those in for credit. Remember that you must first do the assignments that go with that topic before you can ask me to open that quiz or test back up for you. So please make sure you do that first, then send me an email, and we'll set up a time to make those up. But it's really important that we get those done soon. If you have any questions, let me know. This quiz is on Thursday, by the way, this week. So make sure you're practicing your numbers and your time. Adios.